Today, I am going to show you exactly how to add an animated GIF to an Outlook email. Let's face it, sometimes plain text emails just don't cut it when you're trying to express yourself. Adding an animated GIF can breathe life into your emails, making them more engaging and entertaining. Whether you want to add a dash of humor, convey a strong emotion, or simply stand out in a crowded inbox, animated GIFs can be the perfect tool. So let's explore how you can effortlessly add this creative touch to your emails, making them more lively and expressive. To begin, let's set the stage by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the Sign In button. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to a page where you'll enter your login details. This means typing in your email address and your password. Once you've done that, hit the Next button to proceed, and you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is where all the magic of email creation happens. The journey to adding an animated GIF begins with creating a new email. To do this, click on the New Mail button. This action will bring up the email editor, which is essentially your canvas for composing messages. Here, you can draft your email and, most importantly, insert that delightful animated touch. Once inside the email editor, direct your cursor to the body of the email. This is the section where your text typically goes and where you'll be inserting your GIF. If you look towards the top section of the window, you'll notice a variety of options available to you. Among these options, you should see one labeled Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering different elements you can add to your email. In this menu, hover over and select the option labeled Pictures. This is crucial because it's the feature that allows you to insert images you've saved on your computer. Once you select Pictures, a File Explorer window will open up, granting you access to browse through your computer's files. Now, navigate through your folders until you locate the perfect GIF you want to use. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, and then press the Open button to insert it into your email. And just like that, you've successfully added an animated GIF to your Outlook email. Your recipients are bound to appreciate the fun and creativity that your GIF brings to their inbox. Here's a quick tip to keep in mind. Ensure that the GIF you choose is relevant to the content of your email to avoid any potential confusion. Additionally, take note of the file size, as larger GIFs might take longer to download or display properly. GIFs are a fantastic way to engage your recipients, whether you're using them to emphasize a point, add humor, or convey an emotion. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling more confident about using animated GIFs in your emails. It's a straightforward process, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add an animated GIF to an Outlook email quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to add an animated GIF to an Outlook email, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.